Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor EC Department, SNS College of Technology, an autonomous institution, Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss the frequency shift keying in digital modulation techniques. Based on my previous YouTube video, you may have some knowledge about the types of digital modulation schemes and the definition of FSK, and this waveform explanation already completed. And now I continue with the receiver part of FSK receiver. So this figure shows the power spectral density of FSK, where if you see the bandwidth of FSK will be 4 FB. So this shows the coherent BFSK receiver, where as like as in transmitter, the receiver also consists of one number of sequence in upper side, 0 number of sequence in downside, as like same as in ASK. Here also decision device is used for getting ones and zeros separately. For dividing ones and zeros, we set a threshold for some value. So this is the another method of BFSK receiver. Now I am going to explain these two in detail. So in this non-coherent method of BFSK receiver, the received BFSK signal is first given to the bandpass filter having a cutoff frequency of FH, which is same as the carrier frequency that is added in transmitter side. So bandpass filter as FSK will remove the carrier at the 1 sequence. Bandpass filter as FL will remove the carrier frequency at the 0 sequence. Both are given to envelope detector. That is, envelope detector means it consists of an rectifier along with a low pass filter, which will convert the analog waveform into digital sequence of pulses, which is having an amplitude of either 0.5 to 1.5. The same concept can be applied on lower byte or 0 bytes also. Both these are given to comparator. The main purpose of comparator is to check whether the particular received bit having an amplitude of a threshold level. If the particular bit amplitude is less than threshold level, then it is considered as 0, that is B of t output is 0. When the particular amplitude is 1, that the particular amplitude is more than the threshold value, then the B of t will be 1. So depend upon the amplitude, the threshold value will be compared. Based on this comparison, either above or below, the 0s1 is continuously transmitted and received via the comparator output. So this is the way we are receiving the BFSK signal. This is the signal space diagram of BFSK. The main advantages of FSK are: FSK provides better noise immunity. The signal transmission through FSK is quite simple. It is suitable for long distance data transmission. Bit error rate performance is better than ASK. The disadvantages of FSK are: it utilizes more bandwidth as compared to ASK and PSK. This is not bandwidth efficient. That is, when compared to ASK and PSK, FSK occupies more bandwidth. How you can understand means, in ASK, whenever the data 1 comes, that time only the signal is transmitted. Whenever the data 0 comes, that time there is no signal transmitted, so that area is minimized. Whereas in FSK, either a 1 bit are transmitted or a 0 bit are transmitted, both the bits the signal must be applied. That is, 1 means highest frequency, 0 means lowest frequency. So because of both the bits are occupied in all bandwidth, the efficiency will be reduced. And the detection of signal at the receiver is somewhat complex. As you see, ASK compared to FSK, they have much more, that is, odd and even sequence are separately separated, so this makes the system more complex. Applications of FSK: the technique is used in high frequency data transmission system in older days, extensively used in low speed modem. Modems means it is the combination of modulators and demodulators. So in this YouTube video, I discussed what is the use of digital modulation techniques and what are the various classifications of digital modulation techniques, that is ASK, FSK, PSK. And PSK, FSK receiver is discussed here. FSK receiver are two types. One is the coherent receiver and another one is the non-coherent receiver. Then I discussed the advantages of FSK, also the disadvantages of FSK. Finally, I concluded with the applications of FSK. Thank you for watching my video. Next YouTube video I discussed with some new topics. Thank you all.